Excelsior is one of Jamaica's leading and biggest biscuit manufacturer, and I think also one of the oldest biscuit manufacturer. They are popular for the water crackers, the tough crackers, but we're not talking about that today. We're talking about the delicious butter bread. What I'm gonna give me is welcome to the channel. So today we'll make a sandwich, something quick, simple and easy. I'm gonna use the Excelsior butter bread. Coming close up and see what Gwaan. So this guy's so nice. It's the new butter bread. Yeah, the other one I'll leave on the screen. So first I eat the one here. But the other one, nice. First time when I see the butter bread, I saw butter bread. So I buy it. I don't know when that country buy bread and butter shop and the bag juice. So I buy the butter bread, I say, no, but the butter in it. Until I say, alright, this can pair with enough things. So I'm going to eat with banana, like ripe banana. I don't know, ripe banana bread is a thing. I mean with sardines, so ripe banana, sardine, fried chicken, porridge. Anything, soup, anything. You can pair with anything for just $100. Alright, so come in, I'll show you again. So, what do the butter bread? So we have plantain, lettuce, with mayonnaise, the cheese, and with burger meat, right? Alright, so come in. Something simple and easy. So I see what I go on within 5 minutes time, this done. You know, keep on low heat and all that. Yeah man, so. But I'll get to the pot right now. So, put it on the pot. You know, so on a low heat. You know, rush cook it and burn up. Yeah. So cook it for 3 minutes on one side and you flip it and then cook it for the next 2 minutes or 3 minutes. So quick and easy. And it's done. And we'll have some plantain on the side. Yeah man. So you guys can use whatever you want. If you want to put on tomato tonight, or you can put tomato tonight. Yeah man, anything. But through me in a pan of tomato. So yes. I don't know Excelsior or I'm good company. So stay tuned peeps. I don't put too much oil, you know? A little oil, just to grease the tin. So if you don't want to put too much oil, you know? Just a little bit to grease the frying pan, you know? So yeah, this, as I said before, the burger meat, easy to cook. On low heat, so you put it in. You fry on one side for 3 minutes, then you flip it and you fry it on that side for 2 minutes. Or 3 minutes then. Or if you have a thermometer, you will stick it in it, and when the inside reaches a minimum of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, that's when you cook. So quick and easy, slow cook. If you rush it, the outside I go burn and in our juicy, in our nice. The red, nice golden brown. You don't want to rush cook, you know. you know, and burn it. Use that one lower heat, and so in the meantime, I'm going to peel the plantain. I'm fry one. Don't the size because plantain very expensive, I know. So get the plantain peel up, I know. Alright, we start time over. Get the plantain peel up, you know. Yeah, man. In the meantime, small still, but I get the job done. Yeah, man. So soon come back, guys. Come here, the camera. Take out oil for a bit. So I want the cheese. One a little bit, you know. Come here, come here, you know. It's my daily butter bread time now. Look at this. Look how soft it is. Really, really soft and mild. Take it up. Take it up for you because I don't want to do up too much. Look at mayonnaise on the bread. Guys, this need one of mayonnaise now because it's soft and nice. Leave one of mayonnaise. You know, a portion of mayonnaise, you know. So I'm gonna get this put now. Alright, so I got guys with nice burger. This so we think I don't know. So what go on there? Come in closer. So what go on. So the ripe plantain on me Excelsior butter bread sandwich. Yeah man, eat that. Tired enough for the gear, you know? Yeah. I'm set the bread. Come in closer. You see what go on there? Little no pressure bread, really soft and nice. It'll come like cocoa bread. I see the burger bread, yeah. It's like, to me, it's an advanced version of the butter bread, of the burger bread. Very nice, very, very, very nice. No want nothing. So guys, remember, you can check out this, you know. All who don't know about it, or don't like it, yeah man, so we can do the butter bread. Very cheap and easy. So remember, like, leave a comment and tell me if you want to try the butter bread. Share and subscribe. Yeah man, so that is it. Stay tuned. And I'll show you next time I can do the butter bread. So stay tuned for that. I'm not talking.